Hello and welcome to How to Play Buck Dice, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the dice game Buck Dice. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 or more players. To play, you will need 3 dice. Each player will roll 1 die. The player that rolls the highest number gets to go first. The player that rolls the lowest number will roll 1 die again. The number rolled is the point number for the round. Player 2 is the low roller and rolls again. A 1 is rolled and this is the point number for the round. The object of the game is to score 15 points to drop out of the game and avoid being the last player in the game. Points are scored by rolling the point number. Each point number rolled is equal to a point, and if your roll contains any points, you get to continue rolling. If you roll 3 of a kind in the point number, it is a big buck, and you will hit 15 points and get to drop out. If you roll 3 of a kind in any number other than the point number, it is a little buck and is worth 5 points. Player 4 rolled the highest number in the first rolls and gets to go first. Player 4 rolls a little buck for 5 points and gets to roll again. The second roll scores no points and play moves to player 1. Player 1's roll results in no points. Play moves to player 2, who also doesn't roll any points. Player 3 rolls a point number for 1 point and gets to roll again. Player 3 rolls another 1 for another point. The third roll doesn't have any points and play returns to player 4. Players continue to take turns rolling and scoring points when rolled. Skipping ahead to the end of a round, players are getting close to the 15 points needed to drop out. Player 4 rolls a 1 and gets to 15 points to drop out. Player 1 rolls and gets 3 rolls with a point in each in order to get to 15 points and drops out. Player 2 doesn't roll any points and play moves to player 3. Player 3 is able to roll twice and get the points needed to drop out. Player 2 loses this game. A player must land on 15 points exactly. If a player only needs 1 point to go out but rolls 2 points on a turn, the roll doesn't count and is retaken. Rolling a big buck takes a player to 15 points no matter how many points the player already had. If players tie for the highest or lowest roll when starting the game, the tying players will re-roll to determine high or low. That wraps up how to play Buck Dice. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.